Gun violence is now declared a public health crisis in our country. That was announced by the U.S. Surgeon General today, along with a document calling for action.
Now, that document outlines a handful of statistics about gun violence here in the U.S. For example, since 2020, firearm-related injuries have been the leading cause of death for U.S. children and adolescents up to the age of 19. In 2022 alone, more than 48,000 people died from firearm-related injuries, including suicides, homicides, and unintentional deaths. News for Tucson's Megan Spector joins us live now downtown. Megan, it is a devastating statistic. All those numbers we're hearing, like these that have the U.S. Surgeon General calling for action.
Yeah, Sean and Monica, that's right. And he's not the only one. There are advocates all across the U.S. that are pushing for change, even right here in Tucson right now. Just yesterday, the man charged with shooting and killing U of A professor Dr. Thomas Meixner was sentenced. And afterwards, Dr. Meixner's widow released a statement calling for Arizona to enforce red flag laws. Take a listen to Meixner's sister speaking in court about the current state of Arizona gun laws.
The gun laws in the state of Arizona failed my brother. The private gun sale by which this murderer obtained his gun should never have been allowed to take place. No background check was obtained, but would have revealed a prior felony indictment.
The document published by the U.S. Surgeon General calls for an increase in funding for firearm violence prevention research, community-based intervention and education programs, along with encouraging policymakers to pass laws on safe storage, implement universal background checks, ban assault weapons, and more. However, this announcement is already facing backlash from organizations like the NRA. They said in a statement today, in part, quote, "This is an extension of the Biden administration's war on law-abiding gun owners."
We always have these broad guidelines designed to do one thing: control the good citizen, control those people who are law-abiding. Let's control the criminal for a change. Let's treat the mentally ill. But when you blame the instrument, you're not solving any problem.